We made it to Bangkok and this is what happens.
Gone, our ass is gone. Yo, our driver just left us. I think there's ops coming to take us away, probably to the Philippines.
Alright guys, where are we headed?
Buddha Temple.
Go to the Emerald Buddha Temple. It's gonna be turned. She getting fitted right now?
Yo, Buddha time.
Guys, what have we been searching so long for? This Buddha? Yeah, we've been searching for the Emerald Buddha. It's gonna be a Buddha made of emeralds, maybe.
Grand Palace.
Is it grand?
It's real grand. Grandest I ever seen.
Grandest I ever seen. Grandest I ever seen.
Not even palaces in the south compare?
Oh no.
We'll stop in the day, getting some lunch. What do we got for lunch today? Got a little Thai iced tea and a little noodles and gravy. Roa and I were just walking the streets randomly, like just with no aim, and look who we stumbled across.
Just casual temple.
We're gonna go in. Kind of crazy. Just pulled up on it. Wow. Ayo, bro, what are your thoughts?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. It is indeed beautiful. Look at the monk. We are out at Wat Po. This is not the reclining Buddha, but look at what this is. Down here in Bangkok, we got to eat some pad thai. First pad thai since I've been here. The peanuts are so salty. They taste like they're from the south. The fish sauce is like fish saucier than the stuff in the U.S. It's good. Highly recommend. We are live, day 2 in Bangkok. Woke up at like noon and just got some noodles, and everyone went to go to the floating market. I'm gonna rip Chinatown, maybe get a back massage, maybe just explore around. Should be a fun day though. Let's see what happens. Look where we're at right now. Just came to Chinatown and getting a little treat already. Alright, we made it to the Chinatown gate. I think the markets are pretty far away, but I'm trying to go get a massage. Damn. A little $10 massage. Here in Chinatown for dinner. There's so many options, so we're gonna see what we can eat tonight. Let's scope it out. Alright, we're trying some Crocodile right now. I think it's gonna be good. Maybe a little rubbery, maybe a little bit like chickeny, but rubber. We'll see. Crocodile right now. Just got some Crocodile. Super dank. It has this peanutty sauce on it that's super good. Kind of rubbery. Very similar to chicken though. I think the sauce is carrying it. It's like a good peanut sauce. It's fire. Crocodile out in Chinatown is like clocking in at like 8.5. It was $3 total. Good price. Good price. 2 of these sticks. A lot of protein. Yeah, and where else do I try it? No clue.
واحدة سائرة ثورة.
Alright, we're out here in Chinatown. Look what we got. A little Avenger or something. Got some pork organ soup. It's gonna be pretty good. Very crispy. Very salty, but very good. So just left Chinatown and we're gonna try to go to the tallest building in Bangkok, which I'm standing under right now. Look at that. Oh, I think it's 80 something floors. So let's see if we get in. All right, we are on the 84th floor of the Baiyoke Hotel. And look at the views. You can see all of Bangkok. Also, it was free to get up here, and I love something that's no charge. Look at this. It's nuts. Alright, we had a Khao San Road again, night 2. Look at that. Having some pad thai, Khao San Road. It's just chicken pad thai, probably the most basic thing you can get in Thailand, but so free. The chili I put on it is coming through. Had a bit of spice, a little bit fishy, good protein from the chicken. I think I put a little bit of salt or sugar on, I don't know which one. It was fire. It's all fire, it's all so dang.